Principles and theory of automation. There are three basic building blocks of automation, which include a source of power to perform an action, feedback controls, and machine programming. An automated system is designed to accomplish a useful action, and it requires power to execute that action. There are several forms of power sources to choose from, but the most common is electricity because it can be readily converted into other types of power, such as mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic, to perform work. Electricity can also be stored in high-performance, long-lasting batteries. Feedback controls are widely used in modern automated systems. They consist of 5 basic components, which are the input, the process being controlled, the output, sensing elements, and the controller and actuating devices. The input is the reference value for the system. The process being controlled is any process to which power is applied. The output is the variable of the process that is measured and compared to the input. The sensing elements are the measuring devices that are used in feedback loops to monitor the value of the output variable. The controller and actuators of the system are the mechanisms by which changes in the process are completed in order to influence the output variable. These mechanisms include motors, valves, gears, chain drives, and other electrical or mechanical components. And machines are programmed with instructions that determine the set of actions that is to be accomplished automatically by the system. The program should specify what the system should do and how all of its components must function in order to complete the desired task. The program's complexity varies greatly from system to system, depending on the difficulty of the task at hand.